Australia tends to top the world's most deadly creature charts for a good reason. If you're about to venture down under, you'll want to make sure you don't dip your toe into the wrong place. If you do, you won't be on your flight back home. Here's how to survive Australia's deadliest animals, Part 2. Sure, you've seen the videos of boxing kangaroos and you think you can easily survive in Australia. But you haven't seen anything like the animals on this list. We'll show you the creepiest and deadliest critters you could encounter.